This company is gearing up to make Christmas light shows mesmerizing. Sky Elements is a company based in Dallas-Fort Worth, Texas, that specializes in professional drone light displays across the United States. The company has worked with major brands, sports teams, artists, and communities to push the boundaries of what a drone light show can achieve. With creative design, technology, and execution of the performance, Sky Elements also broke 2 Guinness World Records at IAAPA Expo 2023. They created the largest aerial logo and the largest aerial image of a flag in a captivating light show featuring a collaboration of 1,600 drones. These drones are adorned with vibrant LED lights and follow synchronized flight paths guided by advanced algorithms. They provide an exclusive audio-visual experience for the audience, while maintaining a safe distance to avoid any collisions.
Shut up and take my money!
As the Christmas holiday approaches, Sky Elements is diligently preparing to present spectators with breathtaking drone light show performances.